that we have 200 guests. Han, by the way, sultihan na ba ninyo sila dad sa nakuta lang i-book na ito nila?
Kailangan na.
What about our friends in high school and college? Have you invited them? Han?
Kanilang yun, importante lang yun kayo.
Important?
Yeah, good afternoon. Video. I just
Hello.
want to check my credit limit. Transaction. Yes, this is Mr. David. The last four of the card is 2526. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Han, unsa gitong paborito nimong color, Han? Importante lang gid kayo.
Favorite color? My favorite color for 25 years, you don't know? You should have known that from the very first day of our relationship.
Tubaga na lang, gut pangutana ra mo guna nga sayon kayo.
Sa'yo na kayo na, hello mo ka na itong motive sa itong kasangi. Hindi mo na nakalimtan?
Do you expect me to remember something that happened 25 years ago? Come on, that was just a question.
Oo na siya. You're becoming very forgetful. And my birthday, you always forget. I always have to remind you. And like, Han, kanang mo ko anak, kinahanglan pa ko magpadungog-dungog ni mo ka birthday. Han, was there a time for 25 years that I forget your birthday?
My God, you know what? You're overreacting.
Overreacting? Are you sure?
You know what, An? Every birthday ni mo, sakto ka, sikag padungog-dungog. Pero never ever nga nakalimot ka na, Han. Birthday pa ni mo, I always prepare something.
Yes, you always prepare something, but how will I know? How will I know? Ikaw, you're always being very busy all the time. And then, muingon ka na ko nga imo kong i-surprise. How will I know nga imo kong i-surprise?
Di mangutan. Every time nga na ako'y preparation, imo kong pangunahan. So, unsa man, madaot akong plano. You're thinking sige na ako kalimtan, sige ko kalimot and all. But no, walay, bisang single nga day sa imong birthday nga ako nalimtan. I always prepare, but it seems nga dili na nimo ma-appreciate. It's because you're so busy looking at my mistakes.
Then what are you trying to prove? Mo na si Papa, di ganahanin mo. Pagkamatay pang Papa, wa pa ka ni adto.
So magbalik-balik tayo.
Kinahanglan na ba? Kabaw ba ka nga sa ang mga igsoon ako dito nagsige na sa pangutana asa akong bana. Unsa man akong itubag? Nga wa ka dito.
So ato ning balik-balikon karon.
Dapat siya balik-balikon.
Kay ba naman kasarason nga nung wala ako katuhan? I was having a conference in Manila nga nung wala ako katin na time.
Mo na, busy kay ka. Kay ngano, ikaw man sa hinungdan nga nung busy kay kasanan kay kung nagtrabaho pa ko, dapat unta duha ra tong anak, unya ako nagtrabaho ko, fair ra ta ang kuan ang atong income. You don't have to be busy and go outside Cebu and then spend a lot of time there with sa atong pamilya imo na nakalimtan.
So what do you want me to do? Kailangan ako i-sustain na itong pangangailangan.
Dapat lang. Imo ra ba ning plano nga magupag-upat ag anak? Suma.
Asa, kating lang. If I may recall it correctly, it was you. Di ba? Gusto kang babae ng anak. Doon ka babae. Ain't you happy?
I'm happy, of course. That's already there. But kay ba ka nga, kung imo pa kong gistoryaan, nga ganahan day ka nga, magkababay tag anak, kay ganahan ka nga nadyo tayo babae nga anak, kay ganahan ko, dapat imo kong gistoryaan, kay gistoryaan na tati ka nga, no, 2 is enough. Muna, namo tayo nag-upat, kay kaluha kinamanghuran.
I even wanted one. Diba? I only have Daniel. So gusto gyud kang na babae. So we have Johnny. So karon kung natay ka lang, say problema na. I'm providing you everything that you demand. Tanan. Mas pa may problema nimo.
Ay, kung sumbat kay.
Wala man ti kagi sumbatan. I was just asking you a question. That was a plain question. Gamay kay importante kay sa butangan.
Han, ang upat nga anak, di jud lalim. I already gave up my job. You know how important it is to me? Nya karon imo kong ingnon nga maun imo isumbat nako nga ikaw gasigi kag trabaho didto.
So what do you want me to demand?
No, what I was just trying to emphasize here, earlier I was asking you a lot of questions regarding our anniversary for tomorrow, for our 25th anniversary, and then you were very busy. Like, you get your phone and then you talk to someone else. I was asking you a lot of questions.
No.
I'm here. Which is more important? Someone in the phone or right here? I'm here.
Ikaw! Pero I was calling the bank to
Then
check
what?
my credit limit. Because you know what?
What
Because
is that?
I wanted to buy your favorite car. So,
But, hon, it's too much.
I
I
know.
didn't ask for that.
You're telling me I always forget things. No. Tanan, do you even remember the very first thing na mong giwish katong atong gikasalan? The very first thing mo giwish is to repeat the wedding after 25 years. So this is it.
Okay.
I'm doing everything because I wanted to make you happy.
But thank you so much, hon, but I think the car is too much. We have financial problems. But you bought a car for me? What are you trying to prove?
I just wanted to make you happy, Han. That's all. I wanted to prove na bisan pag sa kadaghan nga comments sa yung daddy sa when he was still alive, kaya na ako.
But hon, you is enough already. I mean, you don't have to prove sa akong daddy kung unsa ka. I chose you over kung kinsa ang gipili para nako. But then, hon, 25 years, I already proved to you na you don't have to prove something.
I'm sorry, Han. I'm sorry kung nag-raise ko sa tone. I just wanted to make you happy. I wanted tomorrow nga perfect kay mong na day para sa imo. No, I wanted to prepare everything. That car was actually my surprise on that para nimo. Sorry, big kayo.
Okay, maybe I was just really overreacting. Or probably next time ang magagmay nga butang dapat dili na to awayan o dapat dili na to iugatang kung sa may mga issues sa mga.
Tibilan. O sige na. Ato pang i-kuan, tawagan ang hotel kay for services sa nilang kuan. Tita, kung sa mong mamang papa.
Sige.
Ganda, oh.
Or
Okay, okay.